Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Live help. Sign up online. I can help you with project planning, answer any question that you have, tell you if your idea is going to work, and so much more. If you're a true do-it-yourselfer and you want to save thousands of dollars by doing these projects yourself, please go to the website, sign up online. Wait time is usually only like 0 to 5 minutes. Get the help you need. The link is in the description box below. Here's a simple tutorial of how water enters your crawl space and how the footer tiles are able to remove that water. Take a look. So you can see the outside grade of the soil that is pushed up against the foundation wall. Here is inside the crawl space. This is the level of soil inside the crawl space. When it rains, water comes down the wall, it pulls up, and it finds a way down inside the crawl space. Within just a few minutes, that water has now filled up the soil inside your crawl space, and you will see water on the ground. To correct this problem is really a pretty simple project, and you can do this yourself and save thousands. By installing footer tiles inside the crawl space along the footer, that's the most important thing. As that water comes down, it will drop through the gravel into the pipe, and the pipe will carry it away over to your sump pump. It really is that simple. But if you have any questions, please sign up online for live help. It is the easiest way to answer your questions. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.